In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get all Blooks in Blooket. Before we jump in, a quick reminder of what we're aiming for. In Blooket, Blooks are the characters or icons you use in games. Some are common, some are rare, and others are extremely hard to find. This guide walks you through the process and mindset you'll need to steadily unlock every Blook that's actually obtainable in the game. First, open your browser and head over to the Blooket website. Log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Using a dedicated account is important, because your progress, coins, and unlocked Blooks are all tied to that specific login. Once you're in, take a moment to go to your profile and look at the Blooks section. This gives you an overview of what you already have and what's still locked, so you can track your progress as you go. Next, you'll want to focus on earning as many tokens or coins as possible. You get these mainly by playing Blooket game modes, either hosting games or joining ones that other people have set up. The more you play and the better you perform, the more tokens you'll build up over time. Make a habit of playing a variety of modes each day, especially the ones you enjoy, because that makes it much easier to stay consistent. Once you've earned a decent stack of tokens, go to the in-game shop. This is where you buy packs, and packs are the core of getting new Blooks. Each pack has a theme and its own drop rates for different rarities. Common packs are cheaper and have more basic Blooks, while special or event packs can contain the rarest ones. Check the cost of each pack and the listed chances for uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary Blooks. Now, start spending your tokens on the packs that contain the Blooks you're missing. This usually means prioritizing the packs with rare and legendary characters you don't have yet, while still clearing out the commons along the way. Understand that this is a gradual process. Drop rates are intentionally low for the rarest Blooks, so you might need to open a lot of packs before you see certain ones. Keep repeating this cycle. Play games to earn tokens. Buy the most useful packs for your collection. Then check your Blook list to see what's new. Over time, you'll fill out more and more of your collection. With patience, consistent gameplay, and smart use of your tokens, you'll get as close as possible to having every Blook available in Blooket.